Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get a ton of dice rolls in Monopoly Go, no jailbreak computer needed. So let me just open up the game and show you guys exactly how to do it. So yeah, this is insane guys, I can't even believe it actually works, but it does. So let's just wait for the game to load, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let me just go ahead and go over to the shop right here so you guys can see. This is crazy guys. So as you can see guys, my resources are going up like crazy. So I'm going to show you guys how I get a ton completely for free. This actually works and it is so crazy. So let's get right into the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. This is insane and it does work. So let's go for the tutorial now and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It's really easy as well, so you do not have to pay any money. So what you want to do guys is go ahead and go over to this website, monorolls.net. So let me just go ahead and go to my browser and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So that's the website you want to go to, monorolls.net. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So this is super cool guys, and it actually works. It doesn't even require anything annoying. So anyways guys, once you're on this website, what you want to do is just choose how much money in dice rolls you want to add to your account. Personally, I like to use the max, but you can do a low amount if you do desire. So I'm just going to go ahead and do it right here. So let me just go ahead and choose how much money in dice rolls I want to add to my account. So I'm just going to go ahead and do for money 25. Let's get it. For dice rolls 25. So let's do 25 million right here. For the dice rolls, I'm going to go for 3,200. So let me just go ahead and select that. So now it is going to ask us for our username. Then we need to provide our platform, guys. So let me just go ahead and enter in my username right here. So let me just go ahead and put that in. All right. So I'm just going to go ahead and type it in right here as you guys can see. All right. And then I'm just going to go ahead and select my platform. And after I do that, I'm just going to go ahead and press proceed. So let me just go ahead and do that right here as you guys can see. And now it's going to generate them. But before it does that, it will ask you to confirm it. So you just want to go ahead and press generate to confirm it, guys. So let me just go ahead and do that right here as you guys can see. So I'm just going to press generate and then we are good to go, guys. So let's wait for it to load right here as you guys can see. All right, we'll just give it a second. And there we go. It did work, guys. So let's go ahead and open up the game and see what happens. So I'm going to open it up right here and let's see if we are broke or not. So I'm just going to open it up and nothing. Oh my gosh, guys, they're going up like crazy. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself, guys. Get the word out about this method. If this tutorial worked for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. Get the word out. This is insane, guys. I've had zero problems with it. So if this tutorial did work for you guys, then definitely go ahead and share it. Get the word out about this method. It's super insane, guys, and it is really good. So yeah, try it out right now. I'm going to see you guys in a future video. I hope you enjoyed this, and peace out.